for tuning in to the channel on today. And in today's video, well, it's the Clean and Decorate With Me Winter Refresh and Reset. So you know what to do, just keep watching. But if you're new here, pause right now and like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell twice so you never miss an upload from the Priceless Pearl Life. Videos are uploaded on Tuesday and Thursday at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and a few more, sprinkle in between for your viewing pleasure. This video is actually being shot at night and also the next day because, most of you know I am a pastor and I'm planning for a big event in March. So life has been lifing on steroids, and I'm trying to find time to shoot these videos, also to keep my house tidy in between the planning and the preparation. So how many of you enjoy nighttime cleaning when the house is a little quieter? People are not walking across the floor. There is no extra busyness. If you're like me and enjoy nighttime cleaning, leave a comment below. And if you don't like it, still leave a comment below. Thanks.
It's been a struggle. I know you've had some pain. I know you're feeling tired, held down by all the weight. Yeah, I know you're feeling lonely. Your smile ain't the same. Not sure where to go from here. Feel like you've lost your way. Don't give up, no, don't give in. Never lose hope, don't let go of the promise. It ain't done, yeah, he's got a plan. Watch him rain down, got a miracle. up a fight. Oh, you're stronger than you think you are. Yeah, you're gonna be alright. You're accepted, loved, and valued. Beautiful, you're shining bright. Yeah, you're living, breathing, moving. You can hold your head up high. Yeah. Don't give up, no, don't give in. Never lose hope, don't let go of the promise. It ain't done yet, it's got a plan. Watch them rain down, the God of miracles. Don't give up, no, don't give in. Never lose hope, don't let go of the promise. It ain't done, life is worth living. Watch them rain down, the God of miracles. Watch them rain down, the God of miracles. Oh yeah. Watch them rain down, the God of miracles. Oh yeah.
I absolutely love how this winter refresh came out. And if you do too, make sure to give me a big thumbs up and leave a kind comment below. And until next time, you know what I say. Stay safe, stay blessed. And remember, you are absolutely priceless. I already look forward to seeing you on my next video.
Don't let go of the promise. It ain't done, life is worth living. Watch them rain down, the God of miracles.
Need more inspiration? Well, check out these two videos before leaving YouTube on today.